gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Tina and you're rocking with a savage, featuring women's designer shoes, reviews, and fashion shoe news. I do this here for my superheroes, bringing the hottest, most trending, stylish shoes from all over the world, including some of my most favorite shoe brands, plus what celebrities are wearing, what brands I'm fearing, and the news I'm hearing. I got you on the unboxing, I got you on the on-feet shoe modeling. Quite simply, I just got you, period. I tell you honestly what's SHOEPERFLY and a must buy, as well as honestly what's a don't buy and not SHOEPERFLY. But today I'm doing something special for my superheroes in time for Christmas. A little merry holiday shopper spirit. So today I'm placing a special spotlight on ShoeDazzle. ShoeDazzle is the online retailer offering exclusive designer women's shoes, heels, wedges, boots, sneakers, flats, sandals, handbags, as well as clothing, with prices starting as low as $39.95 with membership, excluding tax and shipping. Today I'm walking you through ShoeDazzle's membership benefits, helping with navigating the website and providing review of some of the brand shoes, and whether membership is a must buy or don't buy. If you want continual SHOEPERFLY shoes and reviews, want to become a superhero, then smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell. So, as you can see here, I'm presenting a sampling of some of the shoes from ShoeDazzle that I myself have certified SHOEPERFLY and honestly would and do wear. Currently a VIP member myself, enjoying such benefits as special member pricing, my very own personalized showroom, exclusive promotions and sales. On a scale from 0 to 10, with 0 being the absolute worst and 10 being the absolute best, I would rate the Shoe Club a 7. So not bad, I'd say. The California subscription e-commerce company was founded in 2009 by Brian Lee, Robert Shapiro, and Kim Kardashian. The company has since gone through some major changes, with ownership now under the Textile Fashion Group and having merged with its once biggest competitor, JustFab, to create the world's largest fashion subscription e-commerce company, which in my opinion was a big mistake for both shoe clubs. But I won't get into that since it is what it is. But I will say JustFab was the better of the two, with ShoeDazzle having a better business model. They both would have been fine without the other. I'm guessing the belief was that two powerhouses were better than one on any given day. But I digress. So, featured here are the black freesia dress sandals, the nude Camden dress sandals, red Angelique sock booties, nude Trixie wedges, the black Becky dress sandals, the white Kiva, I'm gonna go with Kiva, K-E-V-A booties, black Beckett booties, and the Bone Susie heeled boots. All between the low price of $39.95 to $52.98, thanks to membership benefits that otherwise would have been regularly priced between $69.95 and upwards of $200. And here at SHOEPERFLY, we love a great deal anytime we can get one. Known for their sky-high heels and the fashion expertise of Rachel Zoe as chief stylist, ShoeDazzle offers celebrity collabos like the current Rita Ora edgy line of sneakers, heels, and boots, as well as sizing in wide width and wide caps. Truly shoes for every darn body. So, for those of you wondering how to get your hands on a pair of ShoeDazzle shoes and merch, let me tell you. You can either become a member of the ShoeDazzle Club by taking the fun and easy ShoeDazzle style quiz to create your very own unique style profile that ShoeDazzle stylists then use to personally prep style picks for you, and are then placed in your very own personalized online showroom where you can then choose VIP membership and shop monthly through hundreds of additional styles and new arrivals for exceptional savings and fun perks. Or, instead of opting for the VIP membership, you can simply shop at regular merch pricing and check out as a basic customer, returning whenever ready for more. Now, becoming a member isn't much of a headache and pretty darn easy, if I may say, so long as you remember that if you do not want to shop during each month, that you have to skip the month or you'll be charged the monthly fee of $39.95, as VIP membership is $39.95 every month. You can either spend it or save it, but it is each and every month with cancellation free at any time. As a member, you'll receive up to 25% off retail prices along with free shipping on orders over $49, free exchanges, and such membership only benefits like access to exclusive sales, previews, and events. Not a bad deal, really. This is perfect for true shoe lovers looking to elevate their shoe game on a budget. You know, somewhat get their Carrie Bradshaw on. Hey superheroes, you up for a challenge? In the spirit of Christmas and the upcoming holidays, if we can get to 150 subscribers before the end of this November, SHOEPERFLY will give away one free pair of new ShoeDazzle heels or boots to one lucky viewer as a Christmas gift from us to you. So, how does VIP work again, you may ask? Well, you receive a personalized showroom each month by visiting your online ShoeDazzle showroom between the 1st and 5th of each month to shop your new selections, priced as low as $39.95. Let me warn you though, that all of the shoes are not $39.95. However, they are definitely cheaper than they would be for the basic customer without VIP status. Remember, you can skip any month. So if you are not ready to make your purchase, simply skip the month by the 5th and your credit card will not be charged. If no action is taken between the 1st and the 5th of each month, then your credit card will be charged the $39.95 monthly membership fee for a member credit on the 6th day until you decide to cancel. Skip as many months as you want, and spend your credit on something you love or save it for later. The choice is yours. Let me reiterate. You can cancel anytime. Reiterate. You can cancel anytime. Simply calling the 188 number that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to simply cancel without penalty. It's that simple. As are returns and exchanges, although timely as is the shipping. Let's take a closer look at some of these styles on our model. In summation, aside from the annoyingly slow ground shipping option, the hassle of having to remember to cancel each month to avoid charges, and the sometimes overabundance of sky-high heels and a minimally fine selection to always choose from, I think the membership with ShoeDazzle is Superfly, as it does provide shopping convenience, shoes that fit true to size and of quality for pricing, exclusive designs and celebrity collabos, and most importantly, for those on a shoe budget, opportunities to ball out in baller shoes without balling your bankroll out of control, with many special deals and bargains being offered almost monthly exclusively for members. The membership perks honestly will make you feel special and appreciated. If you join right now, you can even experience new VIP membership benefits instantly on merchandise, with shoes pricing as low as $10.74. That's right, $10.74 on shoes that are regularly priced at $49.95. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.